Hello and welcome, guys. Here in our today's lecture, we're going to discuss the lists in Python. We already discussed earlier some concept about the list, about sequence in Python, or the string sequence. Lists are the more generous way of the sequence in Python. Specialty of the list are the mutability, so we can change the element inside the list. Here we go to learn the creating list, indexing and slicing a list methods, a nested list, and list comprehension. The list can be created by these brackets with the comma separated elements like bypass. This is the example of the uh, list. And let's move forward and construct some list. Like we can use this list as well. Here we go. And just we can run it like this. My page, this is, but we can add the multiple type of elements in the list as here, like if we want to add the 1, 2, 3 or 4 or something like that, and it's 5.7. So these are the integer, float, string. These are the values. So here if see, then we can say it like this. Okay. So here the list with multiple type of elements, multiple data type of elements. So here, and also we can check the length of my pets. If we see here 7, it's showing the 7. So let's move to the indexing of lists. And so here we go. And indexing is like we have already created this my pet list. So my pets, and here if we see the at 0 index what it is, so it's showing the cow. And also we can grab the index from 1 to the many, and like for all elements from 1 to last. So here the my pets, and here 1 2 like this way. And here if we run, then just cow is omitted from here, the last item is here. And also this is indexing, and this is called the slicing basically. So here we go. So here we just like this way. And now I would like to tell you about the concatenation of the list my pets, and we can concatenate it with the help of this, like new pet. And then if we see my pets, then you can run it all the way. So if you see this formation, this just only for one-time execution, that is impacting. But here the adding the concatenating the my pets plus new pets, this is not concatenated in this list. So let's why it is not padding, it is not in padding like this. And if we adjust like 4 and then see what it is, so it's still not basically concatenating the list. But let's try this. The my pets equal to my pets plus here the new pet. Yeah, this is, and then we can say like this is the running of this and my pets. Now if you see here, by this way it's added here in this our list. So also you can make the double, how to make double the list. So here my pets multiply by 2, and then you can run it cow buffalo goat hen 1 2 this new boot, and then cow buffalo goat and this. So like this way you can multiply this as well. So And here, if we see my pets again, then see, so doubling is gone here. So let's see, let's move forwards and see the list methods. We will see the list methods in coming lectures. Thank you and bye for now.